Hey guys, Mrs. Dan's here. So it seems like maybe question number 12 didn't appear on a video. I looked back at my YouTube and it seems like you could get to the end of 11. These are the notes that I did. The video I think got too large, so it didn't show the whole thing. So here's number 12. What I had said is that in order to graph it, really it would be nice if we entered it into our calculator. So very carefully you enter this x to the third power minus 3. When you're entering it, you have to be careful that that minus 3 is, one second, make sure that that minus 3 isn't caught up in the exponent. So on my calculator, mine's not as updated as yours, but I still have this entered from when I originally did the video. Notice like that minus 3 is definitely not up in the exponent. So if you use your arrow keys, you can make sure you can move out of the exponent to do the minus 3. So that's really very important when entering it into your calculator. And then I had just copied information from my table of values so that I could plot points. So here's the information that I copied. And then I plotted as carefully as I could. I had mentioned in the video that didn't appear, so I'll say it again, that there's these 3 points in the center, right around here, that kind of look like it's a straight line. I said, but make sure you don't draw it as a straight line. It actually, from this point on the y-axis, it curves up to the right, and then it also curves down to the left. So it is this funky little squiggle. And the domain, since there's arrows at both ends, it is going forever out to the right and the left. The domain is all real numbers, or you could say negative infinity to positive infinity. And the same thing with the range, since there's arrows. It goes from negative infinity to positive infinity. When it asks you to evaluate f of 1, I even just go over here and look at my table of values, look to see where x is 1, because remember the number in parentheses is your x value. If the x value is 1, what's the y value? Oh, I could see it right here, and I circled it in red, that it's a negative 2. And then part E, when it's asking me to find x, they're telling me the y value is negative 11, and what is the x value that goes with it? And I circled it on my table here in green. When the y value is negative 11, the x value is a negative 2. So that's what number 12 is. Sorry it didn't come up on the video. It must have just got cut short, maybe due to size. So hopefully this was helpful, and I hope to answer any other questions that you have, and I'll see you soon. Bye.